Why is it that we're always so quick to go to what I did wrong? Hi, this is Bill. This is Creative License. And thanks again for being a part of the Dog and Pony Show I put on every week. My sponsors, Electro Voice, DJ Event Planner, Disc Jockey News, Perfect Portals, The Entertainment Experience, my workshop, and I think I said promo only. Electro Voice, yeah. I think I got them all. Thanks for being nice to those people, and just do that. So anyway, my topic today is why are we always so hard on ourselves? We look at our performance and we want to talk about what we did wrong. We get videotape and just lean into all the things we did wrong. I don't know that that's the best way to go. I mean, when you do critique yourself, you're trying to look for ways to get better. But people don't usually get better because what they did was wrong. No one wants to discuss what they did wrong. We don't even like it when we say it ourselves. As much as that is destructive, right? It's destructive criticism as opposed to constructive criticism. First off, you could start changing that practice by looking at your performance and looking at the things you did right first, and the things that you like and that you did well, and then breaking those things down so that you can see it and be able to reproduce it. If you're seeing things that you did right, but you're not sure how you got there, that's not necessarily helpful, right? So why not start there? What you did right. But instead of in terms of right or wrong, which means you need to create a judgment, which you are not qualified to do, because right or wrong is in the eyes of the people that are beholding your work, right? How about things that worked or didn't, and the things that were missing that you could add to make sure that it worked or worked better, or even the thing that you thought went great, what was missing and what could you have done that was better? This is a much better way, and here I am with good or bad, but I think this is a better way to look at what we do and to get the most out of the critique that we do. Self-critique is difficult anyway. So most of the time, what I would suggest is don't self-critique your work anyway. Self-critique is never, ever good because we hardly ever are able to see the good in what we do. I can't watch my own work because I can't be constructive. And all I do see usually is what I did wrong and what wasn't working and how bad I am and what am I doing, still doing this sort of thing. You want real critique? Something that's really going to help you? Find a coach or a director. When I coach people in performance, I look at it from a director's standpoint, as if you're on stage, I'm in the audience, and I'm watching your work to be able to see what I can help you see to make what you do work better, to be able to see things that you don't about your image as a professional and how the audiences are perceiving what you do, and if in fact the work you're doing is landing the way you need to. And if you're inside your head, if you are the only one looking at it, it's almost impossible. I don't know many people that can critique themselves and get what they need out of it. All they really get is a small bout of depression. So I guess what I'm saying is avoid self-critique if you can, because it's never a good thing. Our brain is not wired to say nice things to ourselves. And when you start with things that aren't nice, then it's impossible sometimes to look at it in a way so that you can actually improve. You just beat yourself up for not being the perfect thing that you think you need to be. You want to get better, really better? Find a coach. I'm a coach. My friend Mark Farrell is a coach. If you don't have a vocal coach, find one. Find a director. Find someone who's used to directing and coaching performers. Show them your work. Pay them for their time. Listen to what they have to say. Work on the piece and then bring it back to the director. You will find that you will move towards professionalism and better, faster, or like I like to say, with a velocity that you're not used to. That's my take today. I hope you got something out of it. If you got something to say about it, write down in the comments. If you wouldn't mind, comment and share and like and subscribe and post and yell out the window about the Creative License Podcast. Would that be great? That would be great. See you next time. Bye.